Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Picsart and Design Pickle. So let's get started with the comparison review. So in 2025, Picsart is a powerful DIY design app packed with AI tools for editing photos, creating social media graphics, and even generating art and text. It's perfect for influencers, small businesses, and content creators who want fast, creative visual without needing a designer. You can add filters, remove backgrounds, use AI image generator, and edit videos all from your phone or browser. It's user-friendly, affordable, and built for speed. And talking about Design Pickle, on the other hand, is a subscription-based graphics design service where great designers handle your custom requests. It's ideal for business that needs ongoing professional designers, work like a logo, brochures, and web banners, and also branded content. You can submit a design brief and dedicated designer to get a work, and it's more hand-off, but the quality is consistent and much higher, especially for brand-focused projects. And here's another conclusion: choose Picsart if you want to create and edit content yourself using AI tools and templates, and on the other hand, go with Design Pickle if you need a team or if you need teams of pros to handle custom high-quality design for your business. For DIY creative, Picsart win, and for scalable professional design output, Design Pickle is the smarter choice. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this comparison, and if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.